Hey guys, I've got some exciting announcements today. I figured I will record a video and show you where I am in terms of the second content pack, and I'll give you the news. I'm wrapping up the content pack. It will be released next week on August 7th. There's still a few things I need to edit and polish up, so in the meantime I will post the first 3 videos for you guys to check out. This was my first time creating tutorial content on something that big of a scale. So there were a lot of things that went wrong and there were a lot of things that went really well. I'm really happy with the way environment looks, and I think I managed to include a good amount of quality training content in the videos I've already edited. However, unlike with characters, creating environment assets can be very repetitive. So I had to do a lot of editing. I literally sat through 20 hours of footage at one point and ended up with about 20 minutes worth of notes. And I think I can do a lot better. In the upcoming months, I will use this environment as an example to show you how to properly optimize your textures, create level of detail assets, and bring the scene to its full conclusion so it can be actually used in game as opposed to just be pretty. Additionally, there are still a few assets in the scene that I did not have time for, but don't worry, you will be getting them as well. Now, quite a few of you have been waiting for me to start cranking up on some sci-fi stuff, and guess what? The theme for the next content pack is sci-fi guns, Borderlands style. The optimization related environment videos will be added on a side. This brings me to an exciting announcement. Second content pack is going to be a collaborative effort. Guys, I would like to introduce you to my good friend and co-worker, Bob Cover. Bob has an extensive programming experience, and he is the most passionate person when it comes to game development that I've ever met. Bob, why don't you tell us about yourself and give us a brief overview of what the next content pack is going to be about and what our patrons are going to learn.
Thanks, Alex. My name is Bob Kober. I've been a game developer for many years. From OpenGL and C++ to Unity to Unreal. It's kind of my passion. I just love, doing game jams and working on all sorts of different projects. For this latest Patreon, Alex was telling me that he was going to work on some modular gun assets, and I thought it might be a great idea to kind of do more of the Unreal programming side of this in blueprints, right? So we can have kind of a modular socket system and let us mix and match pieces to create new guns. And so it might be a great way to kind of add to the GameDev pipeline and just kind of talk a little bit more from the Unreal side and doing that from blueprints. So I'm really looking forward to it, and I think it'll turn out really great. Thanks.
I'm super excited to expand our content range, and I cannot wait to see what we come up with. Thank you for your support, and stay tuned for more updates.